For me, innovation is about disrupting the status quo in the most joyful, human way possible. It's not just about the big, flashy tech, it's about who we're designing for and how we're making them feel. The next great idea might not come from Silicon Valley, it might come from a dorm room in Cincinnati. We're going to start hearing from voices we've never heard before and seeing ideas from places we never would have thought to look. And this is all really thrilling to me. The kind of thrilling you're not sure if you're excited or you're scared, but that's kind of the beauty of innovation. It opens the door for anyone to create an experiment, and it pushes us beyond our comfort zone.
With AI, we're entering a new era of innovation, where AI agents become collaborators, Copilot transforms how we work, and the cloud will evolve into a dynamic, intelligent platform. So across industries, what you're going to see is, from healthcare to manufacturing, you're going to see tailored AI solutions that are driving real outcomes. And so this just isn't about technology, it's about empowering every organization to become a frontier firm where human ingenuity and AI work side by side to reshape productivity, customer engagement, and really can truly have a global impact.
Innovation in the next 5 years is going to be less about our ability to create new technology and more about our ability to reorganize around the technology that's already been created. We already have advancements in artificial intelligence, quantum, and biotech, but these technologies are outpacing our ability to rally around them, and that's going to be the real test going forward.
Universities are going to be pressed to be more innovative and more nimble and adaptable than they ever have been. And there's a lot of great things that could come from that. And the universities that are able to interface well with our industry partners and the needs of things that are going on outside of the buildings that we have here, I think those are going to be the universities that really get recognized as being game changers and being truly innovative. Students in the university environment are also going to see a lot of change in what their classroom environments look like or what the measure of success with their degree looks like. They're going to need to have the ability to maybe not focus on a major, but actually focus on a mindset and focus on a pathway that they know will change probably as soon as they leave here. There's a good chance that jobs that students are preparing for now in their first year of university literally won't exist by the time they graduate. And so that ability to be resilient and adaptable for our students and thinking about how they can have the mindset of thinking with flexibility, thinking with the embrace of ambiguity, those are going to be critical things in the innovation environment for universities as well.
Whenever the conversation of next 5 years comes up these days, whether that's innovation or tech or anything else, AI becomes a part of it. And I don't know how I feel about that necessarily, but it's important to talk about it. And I think it's already beginning to co-create with us in all the spaces of our lives. When I was in my first year of college, AI was nowhere to be found. And then toward the end of the year, I started hearing a little bit about it. And for context, I'm about to begin my final year as a student in college, and AI is indispensable in a lot of people's lives, and it's kind of scary. But we should ask ourselves that if AI is innovating at this fast pace, who decides where the innovation stops? So as someone who has been working in the human-centered design space for a while, we always start innovation with asking two questions. Who are we making this for, and who is designing this? And for the most part, the answer has always been humans, more or less humans, different types of humans. But I think as we move forward into this space, we will see an equal possibility of AI being an answer in that space. And we need to start thinking about how we're going to react to that. Because if AI can execute innovation right now, I'm pretty sure it's going to start initiating it. And if it does that, are we leading innovation or are we just reacting to it? So I think in the space of innovation, it's very important to start with curiosity and intent. And as we move forward into uncertain times, we need to double down on this curiosity and ask the right questions and be prepared for any sort of answer.